Stir-fried pork belly with Chinese kale. Very fast and easy that I would like to recommend you all.
สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone, I hope you have a nice day. On MsYoo Thai Cooking today I'm going to share you how to do delicious Thai street food.
Let me show you the ingredients. I will use 300 grams of pork belly, Chinese kale, and you can find it in Asian grocery store. Eggs, hot chili, 3 cloves of garlic, cooking oil, brown sugar, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. So I will peel the kale off first. But if you guys want to have a fiber, so you don't have to peel the skins off. Because we do a homemade cooking, so we just do what we like. And I will peel all the Chinese kale off, except for the baby kale, so I don't have to do it. And for the kale, you can eat it fresh as well. And I really love it. There we go, it's already done. And slanting slice for the kale stalk. And not too thin. Cut them all. And put them on the plate, and I will separate between leaf and the stalk. Next, pork belly. Slice it not too thinly, not too thick. Slice it like centimeter. All done, and then continue to chop the garlic. Next, hot chili, and I'm gonna chop it as well. All done. And all the ingredients are preparing. First, I'm gonna put pork belly sliced into the wok. And no oil because pork belly is already have a lot of fat. So I will roast it until the oil is coming out. Use a little high heat and then keep stirring up. Now the pork is turned a little bit brown and you see the oil is come out already, but I'm gonna keep going more. And this way you don't have to worry about to eat the pork belly part. If you keep frying and take the oils come out as much as you could. And this is what I want it to be. Beautiful brown and golden. Then pour the oils out. And bye-bye fat. And now you already know how to enjoy your pork belly part. Perfect. Back to the stove and turn the gas on. And this step I'm gonna use a medium heat. Push the pork over to other side and then chili and garlic into the wok. Then stir it up until you can smell the garlic and the chili. And then stir it up together with the pork. Next, put the kale stalk first because this part is take a little bit longer to cook. Stir it up and cook it for 60%. and add a little bit of water to make this a little juicy. Then put the kale leaf in and stir it up. The kale 80% cooked. Now I will seasoning with the brown sugar for 1 tablespoon, a light soy sauce 1 tablespoon, and the oyster sauce half tablespoon. Here we go. Stir it up. And I will add another 1 tablespoon of water to make it a little bit more juicy, and then stir it up. Delicious smell. Perfect, all done. Turn off the gas. Wow, incredible smell. Now, very hot pan. Put 1 tablespoon of oil into the pan and crack the eggs into the pan and fry it until the bottom turn brown, and then flip over the eggs and cook it for another 30 seconds. Then scoop it out. And all done. Now, ladle stir-fried pork belly with Chinese kale next to the rice. And place egg on top of rice. And well done with tasty street food recipe.
Stir-fried pork belly with Chinese kale is already done. I hope you like this video and would mean so much to me if you share this recipe to your friend and your family. I hope this video was fun and helpful and that you enjoy your homemade street food. Please subscribe and come back to visit my channel for more. Thank you for watching and see you again next video. สวัสดีค่ะ